Be a nuisance to your sleeping partner and get in the way of a good night's sleep. Talking about snoring.
But today we're learning it could also be a warning sign for some more serious sleeping problems. 7 and 4's Brett Cast went to the Munson Sleep Disorder Center to dig deeper into this issue.
Inside the control room of Munson's Sleep Disorder Center, the sound of clicks and keyboard punches is common.
Movement shows that you're breathing. A lack of movement tells me that you're not breathing.
And for patients like David Mathia, there's another sound that was all too common.
If it got bad, she'd leave and go to another bedroom for a while.
Mathia is one of the 45% of men that snore during sleep, and while snoring is quite normal, there was another issue that wasn't.
I was waking up 2 or 3 times a night and having to get up, not just wake up and go back to sleep. I couldn't go back to sleep.
Good morning.
Dr. John Kirchmarek is the director of the Munson Sleep Disorder Center and says that snoring is common and usually harmless.
It's almost universal. Everybody will snore at some point, but habitual snoring, or the kind of snoring that goes on more of a nightly basis, is still pretty common.
And while it may be common, for some people it's more than just a sound.
But snoring can be in continuum with other things, something called sleep apnea too. That means that there's not just a sound present, but there's actually significant airflow limitation through the upper airway during sleep that can disrupt and change the quality of somebody's sleep.
And sleep apnea is exactly what brought Mathia into the sleep center, where he was put on a home study to find the root of his problem.
I didn't know until I really got on this study to find out that I was stopped breathing so many times during the night.
After his apnea was discovered, Mathia was put on a CPAP machine, which he says not only helps him sleep, but also his wife too.
The best part is the machine makes no noise as well. So it's not just if I had replaced my noise with a machine noise, we wouldn't have gotten anywhere. But the fact that the machine is dead silent has been a godsend.
And while most snoring is just noise that affects other people, Dr. Kirchmarek says if it's really bad, it's best to have it checked out.
It's always important, in my opinion, when snoring's enough to really bother you, the patient or a bed partner, that they be evaluated to make sure that they know where they lie on that spectrum of sleep disorder breathing.
In Traverse City, Brett Cast, 7 and 4 News.
Dr. Kirchmarek says there are plenty of outside factors that can affect snoring, including weight, sleep position, also smoking and drinking close to bedtime. If you take care of all of those and it's still severe, they say it's best to get it checked out, make sure the snoring is nothing serious.
The doctor also says a lot of the advertised snoring products can have mixed results. You should get checked out by a doctor to get the right product for you.